Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your consumer cellular home phone base is not working, you may have no dial tone, no network connection, or a phone that appear powered on but can't make or receive calls because the home phone base uses the cellular network instead of a traditional phone line. The problem can come from the signal, the telephone connection, or the base power and status indicator. Consumer cellular troubleshooting guides specifically recommend to checking the network indicators and phone connections because this issue may be related to that. So you can try these to fix the issue. 1. Check the network icon and make sure the signal bars are showing a connection. 2. Move the home phone base closer to a window or external wall for better reception. 3. Switch the home phone cable to the other phone port on the base. 4. Check that the power indicator is solid green and the power switch is turned on. 5. Test the connected phone for a dial tone after the network indicator returns.